Back to my channel. For today I'm going to do something different. I'm barely wearing makeup because I am going to try something and I first need to find it. This here is henna, and what I'm going to do with this today is I'm going to try Henna Freckles. I saw this one time and I'm going to look for the screenshot here. I found this on Wake Up and Makeup on Instagram. And the girl that did this was, her Instagram is called Ugly SXE Girl. But so she did this and I'm just going to try to do the same. If I ruin it, I ruin my face for I think 2 weeks. But we have makeup, and I really wanted to try it because I really love freckles. I love them so much. How it looked on her, it looked really good. I thought this can never end up well, but it looked awesome. So I'm gonna try this. I'm going to just keep it on for 1 hour because I feel like maybe it could be too strong to I have seriously no idea what I'm doing. I never worked with henna. I'm gonna need some baby wipes for this. Yeah, I'm just going to do the same freckles, but I think less as that she has actually. I'm just going to try it. I'm going to leave it on for 1 hour. And yeah, let's just start. I'm actually kind of scared. Let's start. Okay. I'm trying to make bigger ones and smaller ones. Okay, I don't know if I'm just going to put a lot or just a tiny bit. I feel like I want to go all in, just also for the sake of this video, because how pigmented this is going to look. Okay, I'm going all in, but I'm wondering, I have plans in 2 hours, so I hope I'm not ruining my whole face. It only stays on for 2 weeks, or maybe a little bit more or less, because I wash my face so often. Okay, and then on the forehead, I don't want to have too many. I already have like 100 of them on my forehead. But I didn't want it to go overboard, but I also don't know if this is still looking like freckles. Sorry guys, this is my first time, so bear with me. I'm just going to make this one. This is just one of my freckles that I am making a little bit more dark. This one, no. This one is already dark enough. Do people also have freckles on their chin? I feel like I need to just put a few here. Yeah, okay, I'm doing my whole face. They have less on their chin most of the times, I see. Okay, what have I done to myself? Now I'm just going to leave this on for 1 hour, and then we are going to see if my face is going to be ruined for a few weeks or if it's looking cute. Right now I feel like I did a pretty good job with where I put and how I put the freckles. I really hope this is also going to look good. But yeah, this is what it looks from up close. And now by the way, I actually just searched on Google how long I should put this on my skin. I have no idea if 2 hours is too long, but I saw 2 hours. Now I have it on my face for a little bit longer than 1.5 hours. And I'm right now just going to wash it off. I showed my face to Michelle on FaceTime. And she really wished that this was going to turn out ugly. So that she could laugh. Because we made plans in 1 hour. So I'm going to call my mom and look for her response.
Je bent niet wijs.
Ja, kijk, als het mislukt, dan zie ik er dus een paar dagen, of ja, een paar weken misschien wel heel raar uit.
Ik zou het heel snel eraf gaan wassen.
Nee, dit zit er al 2 uur op.
Oh, wat erg! Ik zou morgen met een boerka naar het werk gaan.
Dus ik hoop...
Maar waarom zou je dat willen als je die niet van jezelf hebt?
Omdat ik dat heel mooi vind. En ik het gewoon wil proberen.
En ik mijn hele leven verbaal in de zomer voor die sproeten.
Ja.
En jij gaat het gewoon
maken.
Staat je wel hoor.
Dank je. Okay, let's wash this off. Now, this is looking awesome. Wow, this turned out just how I wanted it to turn out. It looks like I have a weird disease on my skin. When I washed this off, I was like, okay, I started laughing like, what have I done to myself? Okay, no. I think I should have not put it on for this long. I think it will look better in a week. I'm happy that the weekend just started and I filmed all my videos that I wanted to film. And that I now have, I think, videos for 2 weeks. Imagine doing this right before you will have a date. Before you will have a date, or I don't know. Then this sucks. Oh my god. Yeah, to my work I always go without makeup, or maybe sometimes a little bit of a brow and mascara, but actually no makeup. And I always go outside without makeup. But right now, I think I will be with a full face of makeup the next coming weeks. What have I done to myself? Okay, now Michelle was really excited to laugh, so let's just call her and yeah, see her response. Nou, Mies, wat denk je hoe het is geworden? Het is namelijk echt mooi geworden. Ben je er klaar voor?
Laat zien.
Kijk al die ronde cirkels. Gewoon...
Heb je het gefilmd?
Ja. I hope I can put foundation on top of this that is that pigmented. That it will cover this. Because, yeah, I don't want to have all... I already know that I will be like, yeah, I wanted to try something new, but I destroyed it. But I failed. I do want to say to this girl, thank you for sabotaging my face. And no, it's my own fault, of course. Maybe if I would have not put it on for this long, then it would be less pigmented. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't do this at home. Don't do this to yourself. And or maybe if you guys have some tips what I did wrong, thank you. And maybe you guys can also put in the comments how I can get rid of this off my face. Thank you. Bye.